What is the difference between this video and this video? The answer is quite easy. Here you can see some random guy swinging his transparent stick, while in this video you see a Jedi Jedi Knight, swinging an elegant weapon for a more civilized age. This video is part 1 of a 2-part tutorial series. Today I'm going to show you how to create a cool lightsaber effect in the completely free software Blender. If you haven't done it already, download Blender, links in the description. After you open Blender, go into Rendering and select Movie Clip Editor as editor type. Drag in the video you want to edit. Play the video, and if it's too fast, then click on Output Properties, change frame rate to custom and adjust it to the frame rate you want. Then play the video again and find out which frame is the last one. Change N to the number of the final frame. Now that we have adjusted the imported video, we can continue with animating the mask. Change tracking to mask and create a new mask. To do the outline of the mask, you need 4 points. To create a point, press Ctrl left click and pull the point. After you created 4 points, connect the first and last one with Alt-C. Whenever there's no lightsaber in the picture, pull your mask out of the frame as far away as possible. To move around, use the mouse wheel. Select Auto Keying, so whenever you're moving the mask, it creates a keyframe. That means that you have to move the mask every frame, or else your mask will move itself to places where you don't want it to be. When you see a lightsaber in the picture, move the mask to the lightsaber and create an outline. This part you have to figure out yourself, because I can't explain it properly, but I will put unedited footage of me animating the mask in the info card, so you can figure out how everything works. Now that you have animated the mask, you can create the effect. Go into Compositing, select Use Nodes, and delete Render Layers. Add movie clip and connect it to Composite. Add viewer and connect it to movie clip. Make sure that the resolution is the same as your original video. Add reroute and connect it to viewer and composite. Add mask, connect it to reroute and select your mask for it. Add mix, put it between reroute and mask and connect mask to it. Go back to rendering and select the frame with the lightsabers in the picture. Change mix to add and add blur. Change X and Y to 20. Add blur, change to fast Gaussian and X and Y to 5. Add color balance and change the color. As you can see, the inner part of the lightsaber doesn't look good, especially for red. So you add color balance, and for this one, change gain to the highest. Add color correction and set gain to 3. Add glare between add and reroute. Change it to fog low and high. Duplicate add, put it between glare and reroute. Connect it to movie clip. Now we are done. You can also change some settings as you want. Before rendering the entire video, you need to change the output where you want your result to be and change file format to FMMPEG video. The final step is to render your video. This can take some minutes, so don't be angry if it takes longer than 5 minutes to render a 2-second video. That's normal. If you want to render a single image, click on Render Image. But if you want to render a full video, click Render Animation. Finally, the rendering process is finished and we can now watch the result. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Next part I will explain how to animate multiple lightsabers in one video and how to do the clash effect. So make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you have any questions or want to give some feedback, comment on this video. I always try to reply as fast as possible.